Hi, this is Chris again with Kitzer One Solutions. I'd like to take a few moments of your time to talk about the equipment you're going to need. Most of the equipment that you're going to need if you're going to get into this industry can be bought at a Home Depot or Lowe's or Harbor Freight, several of those manufacturers. There's a lot of manufacturers of hand tools, first one thing and another. Your most expense that you're going to have, other than what you're hauling in it, being a trailer or a van, will be your hot pressure washer. Now, some of the courses that you will be offer to provide you with a hot pressure washer to go along with your training and all the equipment that you need. We don't do that, and let me tell you why we don't offer that. When it comes to your pressure washer, I'll say once again, it's the most, other than what you're hauling it in, it's your largest investment. Okay, 2.5 to 3 gallon a minute, around 3,000 PSI is what we use. We don't use anything bigger because of the water volume inside a building can be overwhelming. So you want to buy your machine locally. You want to seek out a distributor for a certain pressure washer, develop your own relationship with those people, because if you buy a pressure washer out of state or even out of town and it's not been tested thoroughly, and even if it has been tested thoroughly, things go wrong all the time with pressure washers. Until they're seated in good, things can happen to them. What you want to do is buy it locally. That way, if you have a warranty problem or time to get it serviced, those machines need to be serviced anywhere between every 4 and 500 hours of use. If you have a local dealer that you're dealing with, he's going to take you right in. He's going to do your service work. He's going to fix the problem. Whatever you need done, he's going to take care of it as quickly as possible. If you buy your machine out of state or something like that, now he'll work on your machine, don't get me wrong, he will work on it, but I can assure you this, the distributors for pressure washers, they are going to maintain and they are going to fix the pressure washers they sold before any others. So keep that in mind when choosing your hot pressure washer. Thank you.